Hey all, welcome to the 12th episode of building JavaScript projects. In this episode, we will be building the body mass index calculator using JavaScript. Basically, how it works is you want to input your kg, you have to input your weight in kilograms and height in centimeter. When you click on this calculate this thing, your body mass index will be shown in this section, and at the conclusion it will show what is the conclusion of your mass. That I'll show here 100. So if the body mass index is like this, if the data is like this, the conclusion is your body is overweight, and and if it's like this, the conclusion will say the conclusion is your body is healthy. Okay, this is the project is what we are going to build now. Once again, welcome to the channel. Yes, let's start the code. Basically, I have here HTML and CSS form ready because prior to recording, there is a practice of me to perform the project once, because to ensure that everything goes right in the recording session. So during that time, I had made this thing in HTML and CSS, which is pretty easy. All you need to do is make a form and make an input section, make a button, and finally to reset the values, make an input with a type reset and also the value reset. In the style.css, there is nothing much, making some good background and font size and weight. That itself, that is what present in the style.css, I mean the cascading style sheets. Now let's jump on to the interactivity, which is the main part of the project, that is the JavaScript. Interactivity is the main thing. Okay, let's start from here. Firstly, to be precise, I'll declare a function. The on-click event, what I have declared here is calculate BMI. Okay. Prior to that, what I'll do is I'll just take the HTML elements to this. I'll declare a const weight is equals to document dot the name of the form is BMI form dot, and the input name is weight dot value. Whatever the user inputs the value, that we are grabbing and we are storing that data or the value in the const weight. Now similarly, const height is equals to document dot BMI form dot height dot value. Here also similar thing, whatever the input, whatever the user gives the input as his height in centimeters will be then assigned to the const. Okay, now I will declare a function. The on click event here is calculate BMI if I'm not wrong. Yes. Now I'll declare an if statement. If weight is greater than 0 and height is greater than 0, okay, then what we'll do is I'll declare a var body mass index, and that is equals to the formula to calculate body mass index is weight by height square, weight divided by height square. But height we have in centimeters, so convert it into required SI, so divide by 100. Okay, now what we'll do is I'll grab this input here, that is document dot BMI form dot name is BMI dot value, and that is equals to body mass index. Let's see. Okay, I'll do one thing, I'll declare it locally. Change it to var. Now you can see that your BMI has been calculated. Now you want a conclusion here in this field, so for that conclusion we have some we have some criteria to determine that conclusion. If the BMI is like 0 to 18.5, it is considered as underweight. If the same thing is conclusion is from 18.5 to 25, it is healthy. It is greater than 25 and less than 30, it is overweight. It is greater than 30, less than 50, it is obesity level 1. If that is greater than 50, it is obesity level 2. And let's make that thing here. If body mass index is lesser than 18.5, then what we'll do is I'll take this document.bmi form dot the name here is cars dot value is equals to, I'll type it as underweight. Okay, similarly I'll copy it a few times. Now it is else if okay, if the body mass index is greater than 18.5 and this body mass index is lesser than 25, then we can say that the body is healthy. And I'll copy this thing here. If it is greater than 25 and less than 30, I'll just make it as overweight. Similarly, I'll just copy and paste it here. If it is greater than 30 and lesser than 50, then it is obese level 1. If it is greater than 50, it is obese level 2. And we'll jump out of this if loop. let's check this once. I input this obese level 1. Okay, we have another else. Alert, please fill the area with correct requisites. Okay, let's see whether this works or not. I'll give 78 kg, 198 centimeter, and the BMI is this much, and conclusion is healthy. Okay, let's click reset. Okay, this is how you create a body mass index using JavaScript. If you find the content pretty good, then don't miss to hit the subscription button below. Thank you.